So at Kaiser, we don't pick up and deliver parts, so we're not going to come out and take down your railing, pick it up, bring it back to our shop, blast it, powder coat it, then bring it back to you and install it. That's just not a service that we offer. The next one is no disassembly or assembly in quote. So if you've got a large part that has multiple pieces and is bolted together, we don't want to disassemble that and reassemble that for you. We just don't have the manpower to do that. We also don't want to accidentally damage your part when we're taking it apart or put it back together. A lot of the time we're doing restoration type work. It's really old, rusty pieces. They don't come apart very easily. You have to get out hammers and chisels and torches and grinders, and we would rather the customer take care of that so we don't end up taking matters into our own hands and cutting something we shouldn't, or damaging the part in a way that we can't fix it or get it back to the way it needs to, and end up really disappointing the customer that way.